Hi guys, it's Kaylin. I've been lashing for 2 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, and if you haven't already, hit the subscription button below. In today's video, we are going to be covering all different types of taping methods. So when I want to expose this outer corner, I'm going to take this blue tape at this angle and tape back in this sideways direction so I can go ahead and expose all those outer corner lashes that need to be lashed. And I can sift them out with my tweezer. To expose the underneath layers, I'm going to pull back and I shimmy just a little bit to let those bottom lashes come through. So I can go ahead and lash those bottom layers. That is the most important layer of your set. And then for the inner corners, I'm going to take my blue tape and apply it to the inner corner of her skin. And I'm going to pull in the opposite direction. And you're going to see all those baby lashes. Be stretched out and exposed. So now I can go in with my blue tape and tape back at this angle. And expose all those baby inner lashes. If I'm working in my set and I want to work on a particular section, what I can do is apply my blue tape, pushing one side apart, and the other side the opposite way, and it's going to expose all those lashes in this little section right here, making it easier to isolate. We hope this video brought a ton of value to you. Comment down below what your favorite taping technique is, and we will see you in the next video.